Hi, this is Yingge from Art of the Brush. Today I want to show you the tools and the basic materials for you to start your calligraphy journey. This is a small container where you can put your pure ink, black ink here. And this is a water jar where you keep the fresh water and you use it to soak your brush or dilute your ink in the future if you need. This is a bottle of black ink. It's a pure black ink. And a Chinese-Japanese ink brush. And this is a paper towel, or if you have used xuan paper, keep them, especially those raw xuan paper. And typically what I will do is I will put some kitchen towel or tissue under the ink jar and also the water jar, so when you load ink, you just protect the table to soak the actual ink or water fall on the table. These are normal, you see, A4 paper, computer paper you can get in any stationery stores. And those papers are good for practice and good for you to get started. And when you practice more and more, when you feel more confident, you can also choose the traditional xuan paper. When you get the brush is new, you will find there is a lid on the top. So just remove them. As you can see, the strands are all going together. As the new brushes come with some glue that you can dilute in water. So I already prepared one. This one is a foam board. I cut it based on how big the glass is, so we can cover the glass on the top. And I made a hole in the middle based on how big the brush is, and dip the brush in the water. Also, you can use some things at hand. Just look around in your kitchen. So just be creative. This is one I got is like a lid, probably from a yogurt bottle or something. So this one is also perfect for this purpose. What you can do is you can mark it, just make a cross in the middle, bigger than what I expected. So if this happens, here's something you can try. That's what I do, is to place them as this. And now, okay, when you're ready, you can have your glass with pure water and place your brush inside, like this. As you can see, I'm not dipping the brush all the way down to the bottom. I leave 1 centimeter above or below the water surface, so just leave it here for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can take it out. Just press at the tip and the belly of the brush to feel how hard or how the inside of the brush. If the brush still needs some more time, and just repeat this process until the whole brush gets softened. Try not to pull the hair. Just use your fingers to remove the extra glue. And finally, how to keep your brush. See, when your brush is ready, if you don't use it immediately, you can remove the extra water in the brush by just tapping on a kitchen towel. You can leave it horizontally, like this, for it to dry. or you can place the end on something. So raise an angle about 10 degrees, don't have to be too much. So to get more air at the base of the brush, and leave it to dry like that. When your brush is totally dry, the hair, the strands will look like something like soften. And when you place a finger, it should be straight, has a line here. That's also a way to check if it's a good brush. Okay, so now you got everything to start your calligraphy journey. I'm very looking forward to see you and to practice with you together. Bye now.